Hey there, my friends. Hank here from Sprues and Brews Scale Modeling to say thank you. Thank you all so much. It feels very strange for me making this video, but I did want to share with you guys. This past weekend, the Sprues and Brews Scale Modeling YouTube channel has officially surpassed 100,000 subscribers, which is absolutely nuts. When I first got back into this hobby, about 7 years ago now, the first thing I did was pick up an old kit. It was an old Revell Panzer IV, and I opened up YouTube and I searched how to build scale model Panzer IV. And from that very first search, I began to discover that this virtual scale modeling space isn't some little niche oddity. It's a thriving global community of like-minded hobbyists from far and wide all over this wonderful little world of ours. And after a few years of work, I decided that maybe I could contribute to that community by posting some of my modeling videos on YouTube. Now, at the time, no way did I think that eventually we'd end up here, 100,000 strong, making tutorial videos and history chats and making friends from all over the place, all because of this wonderful hobby. So I want to thank you guys. Without you, obviously, this would never have happened. I get to do what I love and share it with you all every week, and I am tremendously grateful. So, what happens now? Well, the short of it is, nothing major changes at all. We're going to keep on keeping on with new modeling videos and chats every week. The content is going to keep flowing, we're going to keep learning, we're going to keep improving our modeling skills together. Now, you might have noticed that I've stopped publishing YouTube Shorts for the moment, those archival reference clips that I've been posting daily. The folks over at Google and at YouTube are in the process of verifying my account to ensure that I'm following all the rules and am eligible for one of those shiny silver play buttons. So in the meantime, I'm just trying to play it very safe here. Sometimes that combat footage can get flagged for monetization issues, so I'm just pumping the brakes on that until we're all situated in the 100K club here. Other than that, though, we're still going strong. I'm going to get back to work on the Zundat build next week. We'll get something together on that, and I know a lot of folks have been asking about the Sherman School series. I promise we will return with a second season of that, so to speak. Those videos do take quite a bit of research, but I am excited to continue them. And once that lovely silver plaque does arrive, fingers crossed, we'll have a little celebration. Still TBD on what that's going to entail, but it will be fun. And a little teaser for you guys, a small lecture circuit is in the works for this fall. So if anybody is up here in the New England area, I might be out and about meeting some folks in a few months here. So stay tuned on that. With that, guys, I just wanted to let you all know, and again, offer you my most sincere thanks. I am so grateful. I am so honored. This is crazy, and I can't believe you guys are interested enough in my content and trust me to keep making it. So thank you. And until next time, my friends, be well, happy building. Cheers.